So today we are going to wash Zoe. We're outside actually. We have the water hose here. It's really hot in El Paso, so we just decided to wash her. She really needs a bath. She stinks so bad, you guys. So that's what me and Saray is about to do. But before we get any further into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on all your post notifications. That way you'll know when I upload. Y'all can't really see me. There we go. When I upload. And yeah, make sure you like this video, share this video, and all of that. So yeah, you guys, we are about to watch. I'm actually waiting for Saray. We need to watch Louie too. I tell you, having dogs is a lot of work, but I usually take them to go get a bath and a haircut, but my husband cut them. So we're just gonna wash Zoe and Louie. But I'll turn back on the camera when Saray comes out here, because we gotta try to figure out how we're gonna do this. Tie her up and then wash her. I don't know. But anyways, alright you guys, stay tuned. So I am still waiting for Saray. As you can see, we have the shampoo and the towel over there. And there goes Zozo. Zozo stinky booty. Her stinky booty. She's so old, you guys, but she's a good dog. She's such a good doggy. Zozo, old woman. You're an old woman? You're an old woman? An old woman. He's an old woman. He's an old woman. He's old. There go her mom right there. Which she really doesn't take good care of her, but you know how that is. You know how kids always want a dog, but don't really take care of her. My bad, sorry. Oh, let go. Ow, ow, ow! I was trying. Who are you talking to like that? Come on, let's go.
You over here struggling?
No, like, I didn't want to drop my phone. Come on, though. It was rubbing against my arm. Alright.
Go, don't touch me.
Don't be acting like that. Look at her on her acting like that. Sorry.
She not gonna touch me.
Okay, so we need the soap. So get the soap. We need the soap.
Go.
So, right, who you talking to? Yeah. Yeah. Come on, little girl. You're gonna take a bath. Get over here. She know what time it is. That's why. She know what time it is.
When did y'all do this?
They did that. I don't know. But go ahead and wear her.
You're there. You're there.
Okay. Who you talking to?
This is Zoe.
I need you to wash your these kids these days. Eric, go put some shoes on your feet.
Unless you're helping, I don't see why you're out here.
Okay. Don't stop. She being difficult.
Come here.
Look at that.
Come here.
Does she know she gotta get a bag? Oh, you know, I feel like I got a rug burn on my hand.
How do you get rug burn on your hand?
You know, because I was grabbing the this cord right here or whatever. Where you going?
Put my AirPod in.
Yeah, we've been meaning to do this for a while now, so. And there goes my husband's car right there. Alright. Oh, we should have put the music on. You got your phone out here? Oh, no.
I did.
It's okay. Look at her, y'all. She did not want to come over here.
She was being kidnapped.
Nobody. In your wildest dreams.
She was. I just watched her. My dog
Yeah. Boom, boom,
Oh.
boom. What?
I just spilled it on.
Oh, sorry. I hurt my hand, yeah. From pulling the...
That's your phone drop.
Huh? You said I should have dropped my phone?
Yeah.
You're right. I need to get in the case.
Girl. Out here walking around this Why the frick do you keep on crawling up like that?
Come on, let's just get started. Saint.
How the frick am I supposed to
Turn
get
the
started
water
if I
on.
turn the water on?
Turn the water on. It's alright. Don't have me pop in your mouth. That's what she about to get, y'all. For her little smart mouth. Okay, I don't play that ish.
I don't need to do it.
Oh. Let me do it, Saint. You hold her. You gotta turn it on high because it's like hard to come out, Daddy said.
Well, then why didn't you just tell me that in the first place? You could have been started. I didn't want it to be up too high. Oh, did I just turn it off?
Yeah, you just turned it off.
Ew, I got some nasty crust in my hand.
I can't hear it.
You hear it?
Yeah, it's in. You see that one right here? This little thing right here. Right here, Saint.
It's gonna go
I'm bidding.
good out right when I touch this. This being busted and crusted as a.
Okay, let me help her, y'all, because she's struggling over here.
I'm not to touch that little thing.
No, you.
Uh-uh.
You need to get it. Go get it.
Okay.
I got her.
See, that's why you hurt your hand last
I
time?
got her. I got her.
Let me see.
Let go.
I'll hold her here. Go ahead.
Girl, she talking about she don't want to touch Zoe. So she want to go get some clothes, y'all. Cause like I don't know what happened, but she rubbed all in doo-doo. But I don't even know where the doo-doo went. It's not on there no more. But I think I'm going to set you guys up. Where can I set you guys at? Let me see. Hold on. Can y'all see us? Can't see us. Oh, where can I set you guys? Let me see if you can see me. No, it's dark. Alright, well, once Sarai come back out, I'll turn the camera back on. Alright, so Sarai's back, you guys. I had wet her down a little bit, as you can see. And Sarai, she has
Stop.
clothes.
$30?
Thank you, please.
It's okay, but
Oh,
like.
it smells good. I got this soap from Target, you guys.
Get away from me, bud.
Oatmeal shampoo,
So, you know,
concentrated.
Stop trying to get
Right here.
Mama, it be spiraling on me.
I already got it off.
Okay.
Let's just get her, but get the water. Like a few days later, he be staying. Yeah.
That make it better?
So.
How about not be sick at all?
He's a dog.
You okay, babe?
She said just hurry up. She said, sorry for. Oh my god, it's shade over here. That's why.
Can you like put your face up, please, so I don't get it on your like eyes and stuff like that? Oh, girl, that bug was almost so close to come flying up my mouth.
What happened to all these flies? Where these flies come from? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ready to.
I think she's good now.
Then,
It's flies all over.
we finna watch the movie now?
I guess we can.
If we don't watch it today, we ain't watching it for a couple days.
Oh my bad.
No,
He
booty.
needs to be washed. That little plate, his little thing needs to be washed. Alright, go get the towel. I think that's good, y'all. Oh, I'm gonna take a shower. Little girl, look how she look, y'all. She's like, come on.
I'm sorry. I just love it. It's gonna be all wet. She know what time it is when I get the little towel out.
This quiet.
Bless you. I think he sneezed.
She
Okay.
did. Do you feel better though? I hope she's not on her period, right?
Hopefully not.
She lost up. Let's see. Look at her coo.
Mom, I think she good.
Girl, every time you say that, you're like, oh, she's bleeding.
That's
We need to give her
a pamper thing. Where the frick is her pamper at?
Well,
Y'all
Daddy
did something
said
to it.
no. Daddy said leave it, and we left it.
Looked at where?
Okay, you guys. So I'm gonna let her air dry.
Okay, stop.
You got her brush?
No, I don't know where the frick that brush went. I think it's my room actually.
Yeah, they be losing stuff.
I mean, at least you know that's in the house.
Does she smell good now? Much needed.
I mean, if she didn't smell good, we're taking that back.
I know.
Okay, next caller.
All right, you guys. So now we're about to do Louis. We're gonna just keep her in the laundry room.
Let her dry out.
Let her dry out.
Cause
All right, so you guys. Okay, you guys. We finally got the crazy Louis. Person that
those
don't.
wires ain't supposed to be sticking out like that.
I know.
What's
Well, here he goes. Look, he just jumps around. And he loves water though.
Stop. So it's like not a problem getting him water.
Make sure he might shake.
Mama, what does shaking have to do with anything? Does Zoe shaking have anything to do?
No, I'm
likes
saying
water.
just be
Look
careful.
At him. Look at him. Oh, you got him a towel?
Oh no,
That's
but we
what
can
you're
get it. He need a bath. My husband gave him a haircut. Stop. Stop. Get his face.
Huh?
Oh, I'm talking to you. Get his face.
Get his face out.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay, Lou. Look. Shut up.
All right. You ready
Okay.
to wash him?
So I've given up on the fact that I can't say drywall.
I know, right? Okay. So I'm gonna get Saray the shampoo.
Sit the frick down.
He be acting crazy, y'all.
Oh, okay. Be quiet. Get the frick washed up. You little stink dog. You little stink dog.
Want to get clean, Louis?
I'm gonna get cleansed. Washed
My
up.
daughter, my oldest daughter, she's a groomer, and she makes it look so easy, but I know it's a lot of work.
She does.
She does, don't she?
Right. And these dogs
I
try to
miss-
bite her. I don't got the time. I be biting, but
They're shaking. Come on, Saray.
Mama, can we please? Can I get a good job at this washing him, please?
I'm just saying, like, it's cold. Like, you just taking your sweet time.
I mean, like, would you rather him be stank and me have taken the fastest time ever?
No, yeah, I want you to.
Okay, put the frick down. And I don't know what's wrong with his fur. It don't be absorbing the water.
Maybe because it's dirty. Try to, like, wash him, like, twice.
I'm gonna wash. I think he just might get washed, so I don't think he really cares right now. I think he's really paying attention.
When they groom him, he's not that great, yeah. Even my daughter, she was like, oh, he's so bad because he sits and he kicks, too.
He kicks.
Yeah, he be like,
He spits.
kicks.
I know. I thought you said he spits too. I was like,
Kicks.
how the freak the dog? You don't have to do that every 2 seconds. You realize.
Period. I know, right?
I know it's a little cold. I know.
So over here,
Can you give me some more soap?
Yeah.
Study his legs.
They don't really have grass.
They don't got good.
I mean, they have grass, but it's not a lot.
Stop. Mom, I need you to be holding on tight.
I am.
Because look at him. Looking at him.
He's acting bad, y'all.
I thought you was gonna act good. Why are you gonna do this to me?
All right. Louis don't know what that is. Make sure you clean his face.
Yeah, I'm gonna get his face first.
Actually, you're doing a good job.
I know how to wash it, scrub it,
Okay.
love.
Make sure you get his booty.
Okay, I have to get some water. That's why I try to stay near there, right where the water is. But of course, he had to move. Stay.
Louis,
Come here, Lou.
what the world? Come on.
You don't want him near you. I'm the one that's freaking wet.
This is how he acts. That's his thing, yes. What? Did you see him holding up his... Yes.
He think me so mad. I wish he would kick at me. Okay, I need more soap because I try to put the soap on his.
We don't want to do
back.
too much soap because it's going to be hard to rinse. I learned that from Candy.
Okay, so don't put too much. You gonna put that ginormous on.
My bad. Oh, shoot. My bad. Okay. His face. I think you got pretty much everything else good. Oh, did you get his tail?
No, I didn't. It's like
It's not even wet.
Like I don't know what the frick. No.
Yes, tell him, sorry.
Oh, I had to stand up for a second. My back was being strained.
Stop licking it, Louis. That's Look, he's a see. Y'all see how he acts?
He's interested by everything.
That's so much energy.
Come. Stop. Let me wash your tail real quick. Let me wash your tail.
I gotta take a shower.
Sure did smell like wet dog.
I know, right? Stop, Louis.
Come. You were doing so good.
I know. He said hurry up, though.
We just got one more part of your body, okay? And then I'll be done, okay? Okay, ready? Of course,
Now he wants to drink the water.
Let's let him drink it. Because I guess that'll somewhat drink. Oh, this water kind of warm.
It's warm?
Yeah.
I wonder why they shake it. Maybe because like the wind or whatever. What do you think?
Okay, maybe I need some soap on his face.
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little bit. Should I get it? Okay.
I can't get the middle of his eyes wet. Here, just put on my hand because I don't want to get on his eye or anything like that.
Did I get it?
Okay.
Okay.
Come here, Lou. His little peanut head. Your little peanut head. You're not even shaking it out. Got all this soap on me. You see how much soap you got on me there? Look at my legs. All wet.
Alright, let's rinse off.
Okay. You may want to move.
We do wash them in the tub sometimes, but if we can, we wash them out here.
The washing out on the grass is like a whole other thing. Come here. Come. Stop.
Okay, so now she's gonna rinse them off, you guys.
Okay, no more drinking it now. My bag.
What the world?
You okay? You okay?
Alright, I'm gonna close out this video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.